Well, hello, Sally from ALTA Racks. Hey, coming to you with October, November 2021 colors. It's gonna be for the rest of the year. As usual, we got our dragon skin, which is also called silver vein, under the drop-down menu. Just a note: if you don't see the colors under the drop-down menu as you're selecting, just put it in the notes at checkout, and we got you covered. Next, we have our flat cherry red. It's a little texture, but mostly flat. It's really cool. We also have a matching stand in this. Your boring black right here. We got your forest green. Right now we're at a woody green, but that may come back. Cement gray. This is pretty close to the Sprinter and the Toyota's cement gray. White vein, another vein family white color. It's a whitish, silverish white. Pretty cool textured. Next we got the Gunmetal Gray, a little bit textured again, and got that gunmetal look to it. Got a kind of a rougher feel, so it's a flatter textured product there. You have your gloss orange, or safety orange, one of the most popular colors. Be seen. You have your salmon pink, one of my favorites. Really cool. And it's gloss salmon pink. You got your baby blue, light blue. Really cool. This thing looks really good with the rack setup. And remember, you can also get matching baskets. There's a fee for that, but sometimes it's just worth getting that color coordination going. You got your burnt orange, Texas burnt orange. That's right. You know, this is that flat orange. It's really cool. Imagine if something sat in the sun for a couple years and faded. That's what you get. And finally, your tan cream color. That also the Superior will run in. The Superior is a little different. It's a sand, but this one is the desert tan cream color. And who puts these together? Are these two guys. This is the innovation happening right here. That's Krista and James. He won't turn around because he's shy.